Hello everyone, welcome to I Show You the Review. In today's video, we're going to talk about SeroBurn, a revolutionary supplement that promises to transform your life and help you lose weight effectively without suffering through crazy diets. I've prepared a complete review of SeroBurn with everything you need to know. I'll tell you about the benefits, how it works, whether it really delivers on its promises, and of course, give you some important tips on how to make the right and safe purchase. But before we dive in, it's crucial for you to know, SeroBurn is only sold on the official website. So be sure to check out the link in the description below to avoid fake websites or adulterated products. Have you been trying everything to lose weight, but nothing seems to work? Does the scale refuse to move, and those constant food cravings leave you feeling defeated? It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if there was a natural, affordable solution to help you finally achieve your weight loss goals? SeroBurn is an amazing natural supplement designed to support rapid, healthy weight loss. Its formula is packed with powerful ingredients like green tea extract, which speeds up metabolism, saffron extract, which reduces food cravings, and 5-HTP, which helps regulate serotonin levels, controlling appetite and decreasing anxiety. The best part? It works 24/7, with ingredients that adjust to your body's rhythm, ensuring you're burning fat, even while you sleep. Yes, SeroBurn has a PM version that supports nighttime fat burning and helps with sleep quality. The results are quick, with reports from users losing up to 30 pounds in just a few weeks. And the best part is that it doesn't cause any side effects. You can see thousands of positive reviews on the official site from real customers who've had great success. Using SeroBurn is easy. SeroBurn AM. Take 2 capsules in the morning with water, preferably before a meal. SeroBurn PM. Take 2 capsules 30 minutes before bedtime. The best part? SeroBurn is 100% natural and has no side effects. Unlike medications, it's a safe and healthy solution for weight loss. To ensure you're making a safe purchase, SeroBurn offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the results, just contact them and they'll refund your money. Plus, the product is approved by several health institutions, ensuring its quality. And if you buy SeroBurn now through the official site, you'll get free shipping and exclusive bonuses, like SeroBurn PM, which will enhance your results while you sleep. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to invest in your body and health at an affordable price. In conclusion, SeroBurn is an effective, natural, and safe supplement for anyone looking to lose weight quickly and sustainably. But remember, only buy from the official website to ensure you're getting the original product with all its benefits. The link is in the description. And, of course, make sure to follow the treatment correctly to achieve the best results. I hope SeroBurn changes your life just like it has for so many others. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Drop your comments or experiences with the product below. See you in the next review. Bye-bye.